I print nonstop, and it would be nice if I could drive and then watch the print as I drive. So before I install this backup camera and dash cam as an actual dash cam, I'm going to install it to watch my printer. I've never actually driven and printed. I don't think it's going to work, but you know, I'm willing to try anything that will up my printer productivity level and get this van finished, because oh my god, it's a never-ending project.
Vanlife content troll.
Okay, so I got it installed. Wires are absolutely all over the place, but this is just temporary, you know, because I need to make sure everything works. Yeah, printer is going. I'm watching it. Looks great. You know, sometimes you lose a few. Yeah, I think it'll look okay though. Right, Mouse?
Vanlife content troll.
Yes, okay. Today's the day. We're going to be driving and printing for the first time. So I'm gonna get it started, because that's the hardest part, just getting the print started, you know? So it's warming up. Once it's started and looks good, then I'll drive. I need this part that I'm printing to finish this project. All right, I'm gonna pack up. I gotta pack up and then we can go. Okay, all right, I'm ready to go. Walter gave me his camera. That is amazing. I can't interrupt power. So, inverter on, transferring power. Yes, it stayed going. That's good. All right.
Okay, so I started the print in Iowa, and then most of it was printed in Illinois, so that's kind of cool. Nothing really too exciting happened on the drive. It was, you know, driving through cornfields, so yeah, here's some footage of that, and yeah, just me and the dog, and then I was just driving, watching the rear view every couple of minutes, just chilling. Everything worked fine. I didn't have to check on it or restart it or do really anything to it. So it is possible. I'm definitely gonna get more printed because, you know, because this works. So no reason not to print 24/7 now. So it's finished. Woo! It is possible. Interstate driving while printing is totally possible. So I say interstate driving because this is what the van looks like off-road. Off-roading, it just basically wreaks havoc on my van. But the van's more than capable, but oh my god, the stuff on the inside is crazy. So this is from Vanbuild episode 6, if you are curious. So I made it to Peoria, where I immediately started installing the parts, because like I said, I gotta get this van finished. Okay, now for the fun part. Trollio. Vanlife content. Trollio. This is progress. This is what progress looks like. We are getting stuff done each episode. This looks amazing. I love it. Compared to 3 minutes ago when you were watching, it was so bright, you know? It doesn't look good to look at. Now I can sit here and talk to you guys all day and you won't mind. So make sure to subscribe and like and comment, and I need to work on the theme song. Maybe I'll do that next week. That sounds absolutely terrible. Trollio. Vanlife content. Yeah, we're getting there. We're getting there. Look at this. Look at this. Content. Every Monday he uploads what he's got. Every Sunday he remembers he forgot about.